Refer to the schematic to get all of the proper circuit components that you would need to build this. Here they are on video, and here's the breadboard that we used to build the circuit from the schematic. Next, we put everything on the circuit board. After this, we went ahead and soldered the wires that were going to connect our LED and our photo diode to the actual circuit, and this is what was used to make sure that we were able to connect it correctly. Here we're just setting up and soldering the wires to the LED, and then we're shrink wrapping it.
Tech EE207, we both put down a balance on the odds to fly. I know I don't know why.
So we worked on the design by finding parts that were just laying around the prototyping lab. So we used cardboard, electrical tape, scotch tape, and we also used some hot glue. Here you can see that Ben and I were assembling and making our own design for the pulse monitor. Then we had to cut some foam to put inside of the pulse monitor. That allowed us to actually make your finger fit. Next, we decided to change the design of the LED, and we went with 2 LEDs and shaved them down and sanded them down. Then we connected the LEDs and tested them just to make sure that our soldering was correct, and put everything together. Next, we decided to solder the circuit design to a proto board. The proto board we used was just found on Amazon. The reason we did this is to minimize the noise that we were getting when we were connecting our probe to the oscilloscope. So Ben here spent a lot of time getting the components soldered onto the proto board and also troubleshooting and making sure that everything was soldered correctly. We ran into a couple hiccups and we spent a lot of time troubleshooting that and making sure that everything was soldered correctly on the breadboard itself. And with help from some of our classmates, we were able to get a working signal out of our pulse monitor.